Let's review this next question. Glacier National Park is a natural area located in the Rocky Mountain region of Montana. The park habitats encompass several different types of ecosystems and a variety of micro and macro habitats. 4 of the most easily identifiable communities are included in the chart below. So within Glacier National Park, we have lots of different ecosystems and communities, and here are a few here. We see forests. 60% of this ecosystem is coniferous forest at various levels of change and recovery from change. Frequent natural fires, avalanches, and disease cause the changes. So there's lots of change or succession taking place here. In the lakes and ponds, we have large and small bodies of cold water that fill the park. The water is cold and clear with plankton, small fish, and other small invertebrate and vertebrate animals. Lots of diversity there. The glaciers and the glacial features, we see large patches of ice that remain from receding glaciers. There's large areas of barren rock, which is bare rock, and some areas of moss and lichen-covered rock. In the wetlands, marshes, and swamps, we see areas of lakes or ponds that, due to beaver activity, have been isolated. Over time, they fill with sediment and become populated with shrubs and trees, which would lead to succession as well. You see succession in all these examples. So the question's asking, a student studying primary succession should focus on which of these communities. So one of these is specific to primary succession. Remember our images here. Primary succession on top, secondary on the bottom. In primary succession, some things that we remember are that it begins with rock, and we know the pioneer species that first show up are the lichens and mosses. The lichens have the ability to break down and decompose the rock, which allows to make a fertile soil, which can then lead to grasses and shrubs and so on until you have your climax community. It takes a very long time as well. On the other hand, secondary succession, soil would already be established, so rock would not be the primary focus at the beginning. So see if that helps you answer your question correctly this time.